everyone, my name is Ting Ting. I am a giraffe. Can you see my long neck? It helps me reach the tall trees. I love to eat leaves from the trees. So yummy. I also love to play with my best friend, Andy. Andy is a zebra.
Hi, I'm Andy. I'm a zebra with black and white stripes. I live in the grasslands and I love running fast.
Andy is my best friend. He likes to come and play with me every day. We run around together, and sometimes I help him reach the leaves on the tall trees. Haha, yes, Andy eats a lot. Sometimes I have to remind him to slow down. But it's okay. I like playing with him, even if he eats too much. But we both love having fun together. We are the best friends ever. I hope you all have a friend to play with. It's so much fun.